G'day! In today's video I'm opening up a Samsung Galaxy A14. This particular one needs a charging port replacement. And yeah, let's get into it. SIM tray has already been removed. I've had it heating up on my blue heat pad here at about 65 degrees Celsius, so it is quite toasty. I should be able to use a plastic pry tool to get into here, or a metal pry tool I like to start with, and then I tend to switch once I've got a point of entry. And pretty sure this is one whole cover that goes around. There we go. Got my starting spot. Here, I switch it over. Should be able to work my way around. Go. Should be able to go pop, pop, pop. We'll fold it to my left. There will be that home button, power button attached. Did have these escape. Right now, since I'm changing the charging port, I'm not going to worry about disconnecting the battery, purely for the fact that the phone is dead flat. So it's, unless I hit the power button, which of course nothing is going to happen because it is currently off. So I should just be able to focus on the bottom half of the phone and change over this port. So I'm going to assume all these screws here are going to be identical in length and thread. Just fine. So I should be able to lift off this plastic bit here, which should also contain a loudspeaker. Oh no, you don't. Loudspeaker retained is down there. Compare the part. Hopefully, looking fairly similar. I've got an A14, A145 F/M. Cool. So that's a promising sign when all the numbers match up. Different regions may have different bands, different frequencies it works on, different channels. And because of that, some of the charging ports may be different. At a glance, we're looking okay. So I should be able to disconnect black antenna, red antenna, disconnect the connector here, just flicks up, and then we have one screw down here. Put that screw out of the way. This should lift up and out. This should look fairly similar. I'm seeing a difference of this bit here not existing on the new one. What are we soldered on or are we stuck on? No, I'll leave that. I'm not able to change that. Very rubbery. Very bizarre. Now, if I flip that over, drop it into here. Get that in. Fold this over like so. Click. And I should be able to line this one up. Push down. Push down. There we go. Gonna put those screws back in. Then we can proceed from there. So right now the major part of this is almost done. If you do want to just test it out prior to putting all the screws in, I would recommend putting 1, 2, 3, and then try it out from there. Those three are the main ones around the charging port that should hold it in. I am grabbing these screws from random locations as they are all of the same length. Go. So you don't have to be concerned about where they're actually getting put back, which is very nice. go. This should basically just fold back over. But do be cautious not to cause any damage to this cable here. Fold it over like a book. And a matter of pushing it around. Now this is fairly hot for me to touch right now. I didn't really need the extra heat. It may have aided me, but overall, hope that helps you change the charging port in your Samsung Galaxy A15. Bye.